Early one spring, I lifted a piece of cardboard from my lawn, expecting lifeless dirt. Instead, I found dark, crumbly soil, alive with earthworms. The transformation was striking. No weeds, no tough roots, just rich, fragrant earth. Months of simply covering the ground had allowed nature's engineers, worms, fungi, bacteria, to rebuild the soil. Unlike back-breaking digging, this method required almost no effort, yet produced better results. The soil was perfectly structured, holding air and water, ready for planting. Cardboard had blocked light, fed the soil life, and sparked a quiet revolution beneath my feet. This simple act showed that working with nature, not against it, yields extraordinary results. By stepping back, I'd witnessed the soil's hidden web of life come alive. Starting a no-dig garden is easy. Begin with plain cardboard, no tape or glossy labels. Lay it over grass or weeds, overlapping edges to block all light. Cut down any tough weeds first, then soak the cardboard thoroughly. Add a thick layer of compost, about 4 to 6 inches, right on top. This compost is both food and a home for soil life, letting you plant immediately. Finish with mulch, wood chips, straw or leaves. It keeps moisture in and weeds out. Each layer, cardboard, water, compost, mulch, works together to build healthy soil. There's no need to dig or wait. Nature does the work. With this method, you create a thriving garden ecosystem with minimal effort. Digging disrupts the soil's delicate structure, destroying fungal networks and compacting the earth. It brings weed seeds to the surface and throws soil life into chaos. The no-dig method, by contrast, protects and enhances the soil's natural layers. Cardboard creates a dark, moist haven that attracts earthworms. Worms feed on the cardboard, creating tunnels that aerate the soil and improve drainage. Their castings enrich the soil with nutrients and beneficial microbes. The result? A fertile, living soil that supports healthy plants. The gardener simply adds materials on top. The worms do the rest. No-dig gardening lets the soil web thrive, turning waste into abundance. The cardboard method nearly eliminates weeds by blocking light and smothering even stubborn perennials. Any new weeds are easy to pull from the loose surface. This shifts gardening from constant weeding to simple maintenance. Nutrient cycling is transformed. Add kitchen scraps or leaves under the mulch, and soil life breaks them down in place. It mimics a forest floor, recycling nutrients efficiently. In containers, the same method rejuvenates tired soil, improves water retention, and supports worms. Just add fresh compost each season. No need to replace the soil. Container gardening becomes more sustainable and less work. The no-dig approach makes every garden, big or small, healthier and easier to manage. Over time, no-dig gardening builds deep, rich topsoil, humus that holds water and nutrients. Each year, simply add a new layer of compost. The soil level rises and fertility increases. Compost tea can boost soil life without chemicals. Just steep compost in water and use it to feed your plants. The result is a resilient, low-maintenance garden with fewer weeds and healthier plants. The soil food web does the hard work, reducing labour and improving yields. No-dig gardening is more than a technique. It's a partnership with nature. By nurturing the soil, we support the entire ecosystem. A simple sheet of cardboard starts a process that benefits the garden and the planet.